So there's two things that happen when you get stopped for a DUI. One, the officer will invoke the admin per se, which is basically like you have an agreement that you're probably unaware of that says that if you have a driver's license in the state of Arizona, or if you're driving on the roads in the state of Arizona and an officer has reasonable grounds to believe that you are under the influence, not probable cause, not reasonable suspicion, not proof beyond a reasonable doubt, but reasonable grounds, then they can invoke this admin per se, suspend your license for 90 days, and get your blood or breath to investigate a DUI. Even if all your criminal charges get dismissed, the officer can still invoke the admin per se. The scope of that hearing then does involve whether the BAC was above a .08 or whether there were drugs in your system. But basically, the scope of that hearing is, was there reasonable grounds for the officer to believe, one, that you were driving or in actual physical control, two, that there were reasonable grounds that you were under the influence, and three, that your blood came back above a .08 or with drugs in it. That's the scope of the hearing.